Hello everyone. This is a fob, a key fob for a Dodge van, and there's an issue with it. The contacts in here is possibly loose, most likely loose, and touching the circuit board even when it's sitting on a desk or something or hanging on a wall, and causing the light on the vehicle to come on and off, unlocking the door, locking it, you know what I mean? And if that was to happen all night, you could wake up in the morning with a dead battery. This is, like I say, a Dodge fob, and I think it would be the same thing for Jeep, that line of vehicles anyway, Dodge, Jeep, the Caravans, such and such, anything with a remote like this, and I would suspect others. So I'm going to show you how to repair this. Just one moment. I got to get this little tab here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit if I can. This little tab right here can be pushed over, take the key out, and got to be disassembled. And the pads that are on here that hit the circuit board possibly need to be re-glued and the circuit board cleaned. So we'll have a look at that now. So as you can see, I moved this clip with the knife here, just hooked it like that and pushed it to the head and removed the key. I want to get at this inside, so you can take the key now right here, and you can just twist it gently, not to break anything, and get this open. So I'll do this off camera because I need to get a closer look at what I'm doing here to separate this top piece from the bottom. I just discovered it's probably best to, instead of using the key in this section here, is probably just best to insert a knife, a slight small knife, into it and pry it open, like keep it in shot, just like that. Now my brother's vehicle is just next door, and so I'm gonna make sure this battery's disconnected now, because his light's going on and off, and the battery needs to be recharged, of course. So as you can see, this is a rubber casing. I gotta keep looking at the camera, make sure I'm in shot. And underneath here, if we remove this, try to keep in shot here. You see right here, there's a little tab there. It's broken off. So that needs to be put back on. That's the problem. It needs to be glued back on. The one up top here is still in place. So, and it's also a bit dirty, so we got to clean that all up. And we need to clean the pads. As you can see, they're a bit dirty, and there's another pad here that's broke off there. Here it is. So we're going to re-glue them and clean up the pad and the circuit board, reassemble, and we should be good to go. I'll also test the battery while I'm in here. I'm not exactly sure what battery is, but it's a CR2032, so I have some here. So we clean this up with a little bit of alcohol or some deoxit or whatever you have, nothing too corrosive. Clean it up with a Q-tip, cotton swab, and you can re-glue these tabs back onto this rubber casing here with crazy glue. I'm going to be using this contact cement, which takes a little bit longer to set up. If I had crazy glue, you just have to hold it for like 10-15 seconds in place and it would be done, but I can't seem to find it. So here we are. That's how you can repair a key fob, and I don't need to do any more video on this. I just want to keep it as brief as possible for you people, but because you know, I'm just telling you what you need to do, and it's step by step. Just figure out where these buttons need to go. There's one obviously here for the panic, so these two tabs here, as you can see, one tab has to go right over this round thing here, and one tab has to go over this here, and it has to be facing up like this. As you can see, that one there is facing up. Get that in shot. You throw that in place, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.